back to our channel to another video. This is Care Bear and this is
Marco Polo.
Alright guys, so today I had to redeem myself. Guys, I made some home fried chicken.
There wasn't any snow falling, so
guys, if you watch our last video,
wasn't the last. Well,
or
a couple of videos back, I'm not sure.
Carrie burned up the chicken.
Yep.
But here we go guys, perfectly fried chicken done by your girl. But anyway guys, let's dive in. Where's the no snow? Not fall last one?
Give me the champagne. What's this?
Guys, we got some Prosecco today because
We ran out of beer.
Mark didn't buy no beer.
Carrie drank all the beer.
Aye. He's lying. Mark didn't buy no beer, so I had this bottle of Prosecco in the fridge.
Should I shake it up?
Please. I'll make a mess. Ah! Pop champagne over here. Guys, I really don't like straight champagne. But we're gonna do it.
She's a mimosa girl.
Yeah, like mimosa. But then I don't like straight orange juice mimosa either. I like it to be flavored. Blood orange is super delicious. It's actually good taste. I could have juice because it's sweeter. But anyway guys, let's dig in of this delicioso. Cheers. I did a good job.
Was it good?
That's why I was upset because it was like I always make perfect fried chicken.
I wasn't.
What?
I wasn't upset.
Guys, it was upset.
I was disappointed.
But I also add some hot sauce. My ghost pepper is actually almost finished, but I'm going to use it.
I think I'm good.
No? No pepper? I like hot sauce. Like that much.
Maybe I'll change my mind later. But, no. No, I just want to enjoy the masterpiece.
Yeah, these are actually some beautiful fried chicken. Y'all want to take a bite? Ah, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh. Pepper is hot. Where is it? This would be perfect if you have chicken and beer.
Yep.
Billy Mark. I put some chicken legs and some wing. Add some wings up in there.
They was gonna try to find all the wing flats and eat them.
Well, at least you know your wife.
It's like when she found all the beer in the fridge and drank it.
Good comeback, Mark.
Let me see what goes on with this pepper right here.
It's good with the hot sauce. This ghost pepper is giving ghost.
Nope. There's a king.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Mark making a mess.
That's a good job.
Mm?
That's a good job.
Nothing.
Have one of those?
What, a drumstick?
No, flat.
Oh, you want flat?
Yeah, what is this one flat?
Ooh! Spicy.
Too much pepper?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Don't mind me. Oh, this. It's good. It's. No more? Oh, excuse me. Me then, like, don't worry, honey.
That. Alright.
I won't eat all the flats.
I'm good. I had one.
So silly.
Guys, that's okay with Quince.
I'm actually looking for. What?
I'm just looking to see how much legs you ate.
5?
Who?
You.
4.
4? And a drumstick?
That's right.
And no, a drumstick? I ate 3 flat. 2 legs.
You guys 2 legs?
Guys, if you want the perfect fried chicken, come to my house. That's not an invitation.
Oh, just a figure of speech. I think after this is good.
Alright, that's it for me. I want to eat that. Woo! Guys, I was craving this fried chicken. And then didn't get to enjoy my dinner because Mark had me outside, so I burned up the chicken. Why you don't say that?
What you outside doing what?
You had me outside watching snow. I'm burning up the chicken. So,
I had you outside watching the snow.
yeah.
Guys, me and Ty was outside by ourselves. Well, the story was, I said it was going to snow and I said like, okay, it's gonna snow, but it's not gonna like snow. So as soon as it started to snow, I went outside because I thought like
That was it.
there's gonna be just a little bit of snow and it's gonna melt. So I was like catching the little flurry. Then it started to like really snow. And Kerry got excited and went out there. I was outside with you and I was about to tell her to check on the food, but then I said, nah, she must have finished cooking already.
Well, now you know, guys, blame both of us. You just can't lay it on me, honey. It was the 2 of us. But anyway, guys, this was perfect. This was super delicious. Oh, excuse me, and perfect. So let's not dwell on the past, okay? Right? It's not dull and the pass.
I'm not doing it.
Okay. See, now you got your perfect fried chicken, honey. Oh, excuse me. Guys, actually, I sit near the stove and I watch my chicken today. I spit it up a couple times because I was like on it. Sure, honey?
Not you.
Prosecco is actually sweeter than a regular champagne. So it's actually not bad of drinking it by itself. But you have some that are like super dry that I really cannot drink without having some juice in it. But this one,
Cheers.
this one is actually good by itself. Sweet, because I like sweet. I won't shrug it because then
You won't be able to get up.
Mark. You know what, guys? That's it.
Guys, I'm sorry, I'm just remembering stuff I can't share. I got stories, guys, but I can't share them.
Oh my gosh, guys, listen. Let's not go. We said don't dwell on the past. We're not going back in the past.
I'm reminiscing, I'm not dwelling. There's a difference.
So we're not going back in the past. We won't talk about the past.
I'm not.
Right? Okay. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Let's close this up before, you know? What am I supposed to... Okay. Anyway, guys. Guys, mark like when I drink, because that's the most fun time.
Sign off, Kelly. Sign off. I don't know why I started off. Sign off.
Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button so you get notified as soon as we post another video. And we love you guys so much. Peace.
Peace.
Out.